The following training video is on how to add types to your screens to customize the filer system software. This is important when setting up the software, so it will be specific or customized to your company. As an example, when we open up the Job Manager screen, I will see I can add job types, loss types. So quickly, let's go at it and review the job types. We can see that there are a number of job types already existing: automobile, corporate filing. If I was going to add a new job type to this particular company, and if I wanted to call it a general type, the job name I would type in general. A job description would be more detail. I could put miscellaneous types and others not listed already, and then when I'm satisfied with that, I would simply scroll down and add save. I will quickly point out, you'll see the default dates. There are a number of fields, so what I could do is, if on the general file, if on from the first date I open it, if I wanted within 24 hours to produce a letter to the client, I would just type that in here, and then after that, if within say 72 hours of a particular event, if I wanted to phone the client, then I could add that. And then when I was adding these job types, those default dates would automatically be added and tracked to that file type. Again, I'm satisfied with the new file type that I've generated. I would hit save. That flow is repeated again and again through the software. If we're going to look at a task manager now, and we note we're scrolling on the left hand side, again I'm going to pull down a little bit to the left. We'll see we can add task types. So let's click on the task type screen. We'll see it's very similar to the previous screen. It's showing the current task types that we've got. If I wanted to add a new task type, perhaps this is going to be, say, email. I would simply type in email. If I wanted to add extra descriptions on what the email task would be, I could type it there. Again, I would simply hit save. If I changed my mind or I typed it incorrectly, I could simply hit cancel, and it returns me back to the screen. Again, you need to be careful in adding the task types. You don't want to add too many, as it will be harder to track the events and data that is important to your company. And as you navigate along, similarly, I'll show you one last example on the invoice manager. Again, we see there are a number of types. There's an invoice type and there's payment types. The goal of the types is to allow each company to customize the software so it fits your business practices in the best way possible. And that completes the training and overview of how to add types to your filer software system.